What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add images to your Wix website. Now this is very quick and easy. All you have to do, guys, you want to just watch this video till the end. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Wix account. Okay, now the second thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on sites in the top left here. You want to click on all sites, and then you want to click on go to all sites. Okay, now this is very quick and easy. Now next thing you need to do, guys, you want to select a website that you want to add images to or photos to. Now I'm going to select, for example, this one. Click on select and edit site. Now after that, guys, you want to click on edit site in the top right. As you can see here, you will see edit site here. Click on that and just wait a few seconds, and then you will be able, guys, to add images or photos to your Wix website. Now just wait for the website to load, your own website to load. Just wait for it a few seconds. Okay, guys, after that, what you guys need to do, you want to click this plus button here in the top left, and then you want to click on where it says image. Okay, the second option, image. You can either upload or import images from your social and Google accounts, or you can add AI image creator, for example, easily create unique images for your site. Now if you already have the image inside your laptop, just click on upload images, and then it will take you, guys, where you can upload the images. Click on upload from computer, and then, for example, I want to upload this image. Just need to click on the image, as you can see here, and wait for it to upload. Okay, to upload to your Wix, click on that image, and then click on add to my image, add to page. Now as you can see, this is the picture. You can resize it, you can make it smaller if you want. As you can see here, you can put it anywhere inside your Wix website. Okay, so for example, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so like I said, you can put it anywhere you want. You can also customize this if you want. You can customize the layout. You can like make it like this, or like this, or like this. Okay, you can customize every animation. You can also make it appear like this. Okay, that's beauty of, if someone opens your site, it like the image is not going to appear like randomly. Let me make it bigger a little bit. Okay, if you click on here, like I said, you will be able, guys, to make it for example, I'm going to cancel this. For example, if you choose filters, you can add filters to this image if you want. Okay, you can do a lot of things here. You can also make a design, like you can change this to something like this one. Okay, you can customize this as you want, and you can put it anywhere in your site, your Wix website. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you in the next video.